I ain't tryna buy what they selling, no way. Even if they bribe, I'ma tell them no way. I be on my job, yeah, I'm on it all day. And if you getting by, go ahead, do it your way.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Nash Way. So basically, The Nash Way, me, I'm Nash, is my way of doing my makeup, hair, my fitness journey, because I am on a fitness journey, and just my lifestyle, and just gonna be sharing my life with you guys. It's been a long time coming because I have been wanting to do this years. Like, I finally got the courage and I'm here, and I hope that you guys want to see this makeup look. I went ahead and did a little soft glam with some nice lips and eyelashes. So I hope you guys like my video and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. First, we're going to do our eyebrows, and we're going to grab the Anastasia brush, if you would like it. There we go, with this color, and I am going in with Ebony because I have some dark eyebrows. Grab a little dab, move your hair, okay, and you're gonna just go up. I think we're pretty even here. So I am going to go ahead and grab a concealer. So the concealer that I'm going to be using for under my eyebrow and on top will be the Maybelline Master Conceal, and the shade is light medium because I like it to give like that little bit of highlight. And this is it. Now that my eyebrows are done, let's move on to priming my face, and I'm actually going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer for the first time today, so we're gonna see how that works out. And it's this one, the pink. Oh, chang. Now, I usually get very oily around my nose, my T-zone. So let's just put some in that area. Ooh, it smells like medicine. Okay, this already feels really oily. Great. So after I do my eyebrows, I like to go in and do my eyeshadow, just because I hate when it drops on after I put concealer. So the cleanup will be easier if you do your eyeshadow after your eyebrows, in my opinion. And that's why the name of my channel is The Nash Way, because this is Nash Way of doing my makeup. There's no correct way, you do you. Okay, so I have my crease brush for my eyeshadow, and I am going to, oh my gosh, don't make fun of me, but this is very dirty. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and to start my transition color for my eyeshadow, I think today I'm gonna be going in with Raw Sienna, this one right here, since we're gonna go today with a soft glam look. And I'm just starting off here, and I'm gonna start brushing in to the middle of my eye, just like that. Okay, and so next, now I look crazy, we're gonna go in with some burnt orange here. they're looking a little even. So our next step is to go ahead and put on some foundation. And I like to do the foundation first just because I feel that when you do your concealer first, you're basically taking it off by applying your foundation on top. I don't know, just my opinion. Okay, so the foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Tarte Amazonian Clay in medium neutral. That's this one right here. Now, what are we doing? We're gonna go in with the Shade Tape Concealer from Tarte, and I use medium sand. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, which is dirty, I know, but it's just dirty because I used it and didn't clean it the other day. Now, the part that stresses me out sometimes, contour. We're gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition, and this color is Toast. It's kind of dirty and I didn't take off the plastic. So go ahead and do this. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put on some blush, and this is the Anastasia. It looks a little, there we go, dirty Anastasia blush kit, and I like to use this one and this one. Sorry about my hand. So what we're going to do next is go ahead and apply some setting powder to the bottom of our eyes before I do my eyeliner. And gosh, this is so messy, it's so annoying. I use the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder in golden. Yes. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Clay Paint eyeliner. Okay, so now that our eyeliner is on, we are gonna go ahead and do some lashes. And while that dries, I am actually so excited because I'm opening my Lily Lashes in the Miami collection, name, whatever, but it's my first time. And these are them. Now, our next step is to just apply just a little bit so that they kind of like stick together. I don't know, I just like to do that as a last little step. And then we're gonna go ahead with our bottom. let's go ahead and do our second to last step. And that will be highlighter. I am actually going to be using the Master Chrome from Maybelline in the, oh gosh, it's the number 100. Okay, Molten Gold. Here it is. Ooh. Good. Okay, so now that we have that all done, let's go ahead and apply some gloss. And let's do lip color. So this is our finished